Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by making a working copy of the workbook and confirming the source and target language codes. This avoids accidental overwrites. Once done, convert any formula cells to values so translations won't break dynamic calculations. Next, select the specific text columns you'll translate and optionally trim trailing spaces or hidden characters to improve accuracy. Make sure to note cell ranges for later automation steps and save the file in a compatible format such as XLSX to preserve formatting. Now automate the heavy lifting. If you can use Google Sheets, apply Google Translate formulas to mapped columns. Otherwise, use Excel Power Query or a simple VBA script that calls a translation API. Make sure you create new columns for translations so originals stay intact, and preserve formatting by copying styles after translation. Once you write the formula or query, run it on a small sample to verify results. Then expand to full ranges while watching for API quotas or unexpected blank returns. Finish by spot-checking translated rows for context, terminology, and line breaks. Adjust a glossary or replacement rules if machine choices are off. Once satisfied, copy translated columns over or export the sheet to the final format, confirming UTF-8 encoding and that formulas or charts remain intact. If you hit problems, make sure API keys are valid, language codes match, and you haven't exceeded rate limits. If translations are inconsistent, rerun only affected ranges after correcting the source text or glossary rules.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.